why I won't be buying Palantir Technologies anytime soon. When I'm out in public, many times people ask me what my opinions are when it comes to investing, the markets, or sometimes individual stocks. I have to say, the one stock that people seem to be asking the most about recently is Palantir Technologies. The ticker symbol is PLTR. I believe I'm asked about this company because investors look at the hype of the past performance and the fact that this stock is up over 1,000% since going public. Pretty good number. But what that does, it creates excitement for investors. Big question is it worth buying now? Listen to these numbers. The company currently trades around 60 times next year's estimated sales. And again, that is sales, not earnings. That makes it the most expensive stock in the S&P 500. There are signs that growth outside of the US is slowing, and I don't like that they have 3 unnamed companies that accounted for 17% of the total revenue last year. Who are these companies? What are they doing? Why are they not mentioned? That's a big concern, not knowing where nearly 20% of the revenue is coming from. Usually hype like this goes the same path, which ultimately results in large losses for buyers at this point in the cycle. A more recent example comes from the company Snowflake. Now, in 2021, Snowflake hit an all-time high over $400 per share. Today, well, that stock is down nearly 60% and trades around $167 per share. You don't hear much about it now, but I remember back in 2021, many people were asking about this company as well. I'm also not thrilled with Palantir's CEO, Alex Karp, who during an interview just a few months ago had some very nasty comments about analysts who don't agree with him on the stock price. He said, and I quote, "I love the idea of getting a drone and having light fentanyl-laced urine spraying on analysts who've tried to screw us." Now, maybe I'm old school, but I don't think that's any way for the CEO of any company of any size to talk about anyone that does not agree with a CEO's position. Especially considering many times they're not knocking the business, just the fact that this company's valuation, well, it's extremely crazy, let's be honest. I will also try my best to refrain from making any comments on Mr. Karp's hairstyle, but it just seems a little bit outlandish for a CEO to have that type of hairstyle. As far as the stock goes, maybe the craziness will continue, and perhaps it does go higher. But if people ask me if they should buy, sell, or hold the stock, I would definitely say sell. Well, I guess now I have to be careful of drones flying above my head that could be spraying fentanyl-laced urine on me. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment. And again, feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.